assignment, our group chose Eddlee fried chicken as our survey towards consumer. Eddlee fried chicken is owned by Encik Eddlee bin Haji Ismail. For starting, they operating their business at night market, and now slowly they grow up and have more than 10 branch in Kelantan. Chicken serve a variety of menu for their customer. For example, they have a fried chicken, a burger, Eddlee burger, cheesy wedges, nugget tempura and more. And for this year, 2019, Eddlee fried chicken have launched a new menu which is chicken chop with black pepper sauce.
Present about customer personality and social character toward Eddlee fried chicken. Everyone is different and has a unique self, and this personality reflect individual difference. Each individual has its own characteristic or inner nature. Therefore, also some form consistent and measurable difference between individual and other individual. Based on our observation of customer at Eddlee fried chicken, the customer has low on innovativeness. Innovativeness is the characteristic how one lead to something new in their life. A new not only environment, but also a new product or brand, or even a change in a marketing mix up. Customer in Eddlee fried chicken can be defined low of innovativeness because reluctant and unwilling to try a new product, offering an other brand. The menu at Eddlee fried chicken has some and really change every month. The strong competitors of Eddlee fried chicken is KFC, that is always trying to go out with a new menu. The show of personality of customer in Eddlee fried chicken is low innovativeness that the customer in KFC or any the fast food brand. For example, KFC has produced new menu about every 2 or 3 months to attract more customer buy and their product, but in Eddlee fried chicken they did not do like that because it has the personality of customer in Eddlee fried chicken is high dogmatism. User dogmatism is a characteristic of personality that can assess the level of rigidity exhibited by unknown individual and again information contrary to try own perception or belief. However, high dogmatic user often to be unchanged that is innovative and seem more difficult to accept, such as when KFC issues new product, customer to Eddlee fried chicken will choose to buy and eat old menu. This is because they prefer traditional taste and do not like to try new taste. Customer at Eddlee fried chicken are more likely to be loyal and customer. This will be an advantage for company to be able to compete with other companies and retain his customer. But if Eddlee fried chicken produce a new product, there should be other strategies such as using celebrity influencers. Based on our finding of research conduct in customer behavior at Eddlee fried chicken store, of all its self-image has been identified is social image. Self-image is expected to refer to something that lies between real and ideal image. Customer at Eddlee fried chicken store can be said to be social self-image because they come to the store through encouragement from people surrounding like friends and family. In addition, it can also be said as in ideal self-image because of the encouragement of successful entrepreneurships. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next we move to the factors that affecting the purchase decision of Eddlee fried chicken. Basically, there are 10 factors that affecting purchase decision, but the main factors are only 4, which is price, quality, materials, and variety. For the first one is price. The price offered by Eddlee fried chicken are lowest compared to the others fast food restaurants such as KFC and McDonald's. From our survey that we have done, 4 out of 6 respondents strongly agree that they choose Eddlee fried chicken because of the lowest price. Next is quality. Eddlee fried chicken gives the best quality with the lower price. This can be proved from the survey that we have done, where 83.3% of respondents agree that the quality are the best. And the next one is material. The material used by Eddlee fried chicken for their product to produce their product is well quality and at the fresh condition. This can be seen from our survey that our respondent agree their material are well fresh and they choose Eddlee fried chicken because of that. Okay, the last one is variety. They serve variety kind of fast food such as nuggets, fries, mushroom soups, same like the other fast food restaurant.
Okay, now I want to talk about as retailer, how the information that you get from the study that can help you to create product or service and fulfill the customer needs and want. Okay, first is must understand the customer needs and want. Okay, needs can be explained as the feeling people explain when they like something or would like to have more or something. Okay, to promote the one category products, retailer needs to put extra efforts in order to satisfy the changing taste and preference and wants as well. Okay, next, a retailer must know the market segmentation, strategic targeting and positioning in the company. Okay, they have 4 types of market segmentation such as demographic, geographic, psychographic and behavior, and they have 2 type of strategic market targeting such as undifferentiated targeting and concentrated targeting. Okay, positioning is a process of creating a product, service or brand image in customer minds. Okay, next is need to create a new technology to produce a product or service that will be fulfill the customer needs and wants. Okay, the modern technology can give a good impact on the marketing strategy in the company. Okay, the retailer can also produce technology that can improve the service within their company in terms of for example ordering. Okay, next is need to constantly improve their product or service. Okay, retailer must determine if there are many options choosing that can add, remove or offer to lure in the restaurant. Sometimes customer will be probably be bored if the choice of product is never changed. Okay, next is need to ensure the product is provided to the customer are always in good quality and enough quantity. The quality and quantity of a product is important to ensure the trust and loyalty of customer in purchase a product. Okay, last is must develop a highly effective fast food marketing strategy. Okay, a retailer must run special through local publication with the company for new product, dollar off or free product with purchase. They should always add value and affordability to the customer. Okay, thank you.
about the recommendation for Eddlee fried chicken. First, we suggest that Eddlee fried chicken can join marketing event. Although the owner of Eddlee fried chicken has the knowledge about marketing, but he still need to add more experience and add more knowledge about the marketing, about the selling, and about the promotion. Okay, and the second, we suggest that Eddlee fried chicken can promote in media social. It is because Eddlee fried chicken is very lack of promoting their product in media social. So we suggest that Eddlee fried chicken need to be active in media social such as Facebook, Instagram, and others, so it can add more customer to come to their Eddlee fried chicken and can taste their chicken and can taste the other food that they have. Okay, the third one is provide discount to the customer. Okay, when Eddlee fried chicken provide the discount to the customer, it will add the customer, or it will increase the quantity of the customer, and the customer will keep coming to their store. We suggest that Eddlee fried chicken can provide a discount such as buy one free one, and then give a discount coupon. Okay, the fourth one is expand the outlets or the store at the other state. Not just at Kelantan. They still need to expand their store at the other state, so the customer will keep coming and will know their Eddlee fried chicken. And the fifth, Eddlee fried chicken can contribute the flyers or banners, so the customer can know their product and can know their company and can know their business, what they have done.
As the conclusion from our survey, we can say that Eddlee fried chicken have give a very good treat or service for their customer when their customer comes to the branch or restaurant. And the price for the menu also have been sold with the very reasonable price. Today, we also get more information about retailing, and we can get more details on behavior of the customer when they purchasing the product.